guys, welcome back to my channel. In case this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe, and you can also turn on the notification bell that tells you every time I upload a new video. This is my first video of the year. Today is January 1, 2021, and guys, I'm so excited for the new year. 2020 was a lot for everybody. I don't know how to put it, but I'm sure you guys get the gist, right? And we have all looked forward to the end of that year just so that we can have a fresh start. And I hope 2021 is going to be that for a lot of people, myself included, in Jesus' name, amen. So guys, today we had some fireworks overnight, like into the new year. I'll insert some videos about that. You guys are back. Happy New we're trying to have lunch, after which we are going to be going out to the beach. So I look forward to that, and I just wanted to introduce the vlog, and so that once I start to record the sessions, you will understand what is going on. It's a beach I've not been to. I've been looking forward to going there, so I can't wait. And just keep watching so that you see what we get up to. I'll also insert some clips from the food and all of that, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Come inside. I know that's what you want. We are off to the beach. So, Tony, come and say hello. No, to my camera. Hello. Papa, say hello. 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 Babe.
Joseph.
Woof.
Hello. Happy New Year.
Joseph.
Wish you the best.
Happy New Year.
Tony, come. Come up here. Yeah.
Happy New Year.
What else? Tell them you love them.
I love you.
Very good. Smalley.
Happy New Year.
Family, we love you.
We love you. We'll leave you guys behind. Where's everybody? We are all here. Felix, you realize that you are wearing a pullover in the sun, right? Are we 11? Inside, right? Yeah. This is much better. Are they running away? 1, 2, 3, 7, 9. Myself. 10. Today, I'm not even going to help you. Me? Do I know you? okay, Tony?
Say hello to the camera. Yeah, let's write your name.
Guys, can you imagine? I thought I'd been recording since. Apparently, I wasn't, but I'm actually picking seashells. I found this very special design. Can you see it? Yeah, so I've been picking them since we got here. I already have a number of them. I'm going to show you guys when we are leaving here or when we get home. So I'm just picking out a few. See another one. Looks like a butterfly. I want to rinse them. So we wait for the water to come to me. Nice. So my family somewhere over there chilling, and I'm just here looking for seashells to collect. I use them for decorations, so anytime I'm at the beach I like to collect as many as I can. So let me just go around. I've been going around. I actually like these new types I'm seeing. I don't have them. Wow. Guys, so breezy. I'm going to go and join the others very soon. I just want to pick as many as I can. See a big one. Nice. This is lovely. This is my first time of seeing this particular type of shells. I'll go and make a research on what type of shells that they have. Guys, vlogging in Nigeria is still very strange to some people, so they will keep making it seem like you're doing something weird, talking to your camera. Okay, I just want to rinse now, and then I'll head back. Rinsing it. Let's just wait for another wave. Okay, here it comes. Need to get here. Okay, she did. Okay. I think I got a couple, and I can head back now. Quite far. So I'm heading back to the others now. It's getting quite late. Wow, my legs are itchy. Can you imagine?
They're not following me home. No way.
Yeah, yeah, she's very beautiful. Hi. See, have you seen this type of shell before? So guys, we are back home and we've been back for a while now. I just wanted everybody to go to bed before I end the vlog and all of that, so there will be less interruptions and all that. So we had fun. At some point I even had to bring the kids back, then went back to meet everyone else at the beach because it was getting very late for them and all that, so I had to come put them to bed and then went back to meet everyone else. So this vlog is long enough already. I don't think I'll be adding any other thing to it, so I'll just end it here, and if anything comes up again tomorrow and I feel like vlogging that, I'll do that, but if not, I'll just see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to give this a thumbs up, and if you have still not subscribed to my channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, and you can also turn on the notification bell that tells you every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.